Let's explore how to use the Landlord Panel to update your property. We'll cover your property listings and look at the optimization score. Begin by heading over to the Listings section. Here, you'll see every property in your account. On the right-hand side, you'll notice your current optimization score, along with opportunities to improve your listing for increased visibility. Select Improve Score to continue. You'll find a range of suggestions you can automatically apply to your listing to help attract the right tenants. For example, you might update your calendar availability, verify your property, or craft a more engaging description. Simply click on the different suggestions to keep enhancing your listing. If you return to listings, you can also update your pricing directly from there. Set your preferred monthly rent and adjust it according to your desired terms. Next, navigate to the deposit section where you can choose from various deposit options. Remember to click Save Changes every time you update anything here. You can also specify which bills are included. Add any additional services you'd like to offer, such as cleaning, meals, or laundry, and provide their costs and descriptions. You can also define the characteristics of your ideal tenant, including preferences like age or gender, ensuring the booking requests you receive match your requirements. Under House Rules, specify which documents are required for booking, such as ID or passport, and outline any contractual permissions you offer. For example, indicate if you allow domiciliation or accept scholarships. If you have policies regarding early departures or other special terms, be sure to include them in your listing. Remember to save your changes frequently. You can also update property features here. Don't forget to save any adjustments. Explore the building options you're offering and adjust property amenities or add any new conditions as needed. Include details about energy systems and bedroom amenities. Providing a thorough property description, including information about the neighborhood, is essential. Add details about nearby universities, use the available space to describe renovations or local highlights, and provide any relevant information tenants might need. This information is highly valuable to tenants. It's also crucial to keep your bank details up to date. To update your bank information, go to your account in the corner. Click on Settings and ensure your bank account and legal information are current. Always remember to save any changes you make. Thank you.